In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Asana desktop app. Ensuring your app is up to date is crucial for getting the latest features and security improvements, and it's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. First, go ahead and open the Asana desktop app on your computer. If you're already on your desktop, you can usually find it in your applications folder or a shortcut on your taskbar. Once you have it open, you'll need to log in, so you'll see a prompt for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Asana account. After entering your email, you'll find a button to sign into Asana. Click on that. Now, you'll be redirected to your web browser where Asana will confirm your credentials. This is a normal step that helps integrate your Asana desktop app with your Asana web experience. Next, you'll again enter your email address on the browser when prompted. This is typical to ensure security and keep your login consistent across devices. After entering your email, click on Continue. You'll then be asked for your password. Enter your password carefully and click on Log In. Make sure you're typing it correctly to avoid any login errors. Now that you are logged in, you might see a prompt asking if you'd like to open Asana in the app. Go ahead and click Allow to ensure Asana launches in the desktop app once more. With the Asana desktop app now open and ready, look up to the top right corner. You'll spot your profile picture. Click on it. By doing this, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Settings. In the Settings menu, it will open with the General tab. Here, among other options, you should see the app version currently installed on your device. Keeping track of your current version number can be handy for reference if you encounter any issues or need support. At this point, look for a notification indicating an update is available, or simply a button that says check for updates. If you don't see an update notification, it's always a good idea to click the button to manually check if there are any new updates available. If the system detects an available update, it will provide instructions. Follow these to download and install the new version. Depending on your internet connection, this download and installation process might take a few minutes, so make sure your device is plugged in if you're low on battery, and don't close the app during the update process to ensure everything goes smoothly. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Asana desktop app, letting you continue managing your tasks with the latest features and improvements. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing with Asana.